What's up, friends? I'm TheCovertCrow and welcome back to the channel. I can't think of a better spot to cover off the Citizen ProMaster Diver. Beautiful, poolside, powered by Citizen's EcoDrive system. You can't beat it. Powered by any light source, artificial or natural. Affordability, functionality, and attainability. We're looking at a Rolex Kermit alternative. The Citizen ProMaster. And did I mention anti-magnetic technology? Oh man, it doesn't get any better than this. Rolex Kermit, you better watch your back. Citizen ProMaster's coming. Wow, sounds like we better get the white gloves on and get a bird's eye view. The Citizen ProMaster 2021 release with that gorgeous aluminum green bezel, reference BN0155-0BE, satin brushed stainless steel case with PVD coated bezel, mineral crystal screw down case back, and 200 meters of water resistance. A Rolex Submariner Kermit alternative with affordability and function. Now let's look at the measurements here. 43.8 millimeter case, but don't worry, she wears like she's 41 due to that lug-to-lug dimension. Has a slick look on the wrist, let me tell you, while offering some special features like magnetic protection. What? 49 millimeter lug-to-lug, 20 millimeter lug width, 11.6 millimeter thickness. Jeez, that's good. Some divers are usually 12 millimeters and up. This is great. And probably won't be too cumbersome on the wrist either, like you're wearing a piece of luggage or something. That's just awesome. And you know what else is awesome? Out of the box, total package, 92 grams. Boom. Now let's talk about this green bezel for a second. This aluminum green bezel is dynamite. Created for the 2021 release, as I mentioned, for this ProMaster. Great contrasting color with the black PVD coated bezel and the stainless steel. Now going to the dial too, great matte black smoothie dial finish. Silver framed out loomed indices, utilizing shapes like trapezoids and circles. We have a broad arrow and syringe style minute and hour hand, also loomed. And some of the best lume I've seen for the price point. Well, look out Seiko, it'll give you a run for the money. Now we have the Citizen at the 12, EcoDrive and Divers 200 at the 6. Water resistance. 200 meters. Date complication at the 4, great spot, doesn't interfere with the wear on the wrist. And we have that framed window with the black over white display with no cyclops. Visibility is just not that bad at all. The movement here with the Citizen ProMaster is the EcoDrive system caliber E168. Strong, durable, powered by any light source. Did I tell you? Any light source. I have 3 of these things, believe me, they're no joke, artificial or natural or the like. Now what about the strap? We have that 20 millimeter silicone rubber strap. Finishes off the ProMaster with strength, durability, and excellent style with that whole sporty strap design with great flexibility and breathability. Oh man, they've thought of everything here with this ProMaster. Now I know you're wondering about the cost. For the watch that offers the design of a diver or any water sport for that matter, the sportiness of this wear is great for going anywhere. Citizen has made the ProMaster design attainable by most, let me tell you. Now coming in at just around $340 Canadian out the door, can be found here in Canada at the Bay, an authorized dealer of Citizen. And if you're not favoring the green color, it is offered in other color variations. Now jump on the computer, jump on your phone, check your authorized dealers or online resources for the Citizen ProMaster Diver. Could just be your next Rolex Submariner Kermit alternative. I'm TheCovertCrow. Thanks for tuning in and appreciate all the support. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss the next video. And what do I always say? You know there's gonna be another video. I'm also on Instagram. You can follow me there. It's right there. Thanks for tuning in. Guess what? I'm out. See you on the next one.